Hey guys, welcome back to North Fork. It's a beautiful evening here, North Fork Hollow, and I'm Derek. Thanks for joining us today. So this evening we're going to take Elvis down here. We're going to try to get the plow taken off of the truck. We're going to start using the truck to haul some dirt. Past couple weeks or past couple evenings this week have been working to cut some trees out where we're going to make a little bit of a yard. There's a pretty big dip. So we're going to fill some of that in with some dirt from the neighbors. So I might try to start doing that this weekend. So get the truck down there and get the plow off and get it ready to do some work. So let's see if we can fire Elvis up and move it down to the bottom landing. So it's about 80 degrees out here today, so probably shouldn't take too long to get this started. Let the front climb in a little bit. Bad. It'll stay running. So when you start the dump truck up, everybody comes running. Got my co-pilot over here. Say hi, Asher. Hi, and up on top somewhere we got a couple other kids. You say hi?
Hi.
I have no idea where these guys come up with this stuff.
I just need to tell you something. I just got no belly button. No belly button. You kill me. I got it. Oh, that's easy now. I got no belly button. You kill me again.
So we got to pull these pins out in order to pull the pin out of the other side here. One of the other projects on my list to do this summer, maybe this fall, is to take these two cylinders right here. They push the plow left and right. They angle it, but they're leaking. I go through about 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid a winter, and I don't even plow that much. But they need rebuilt, so I gotta pop them out and see if I can get them rebuilt. Shouldn't be too bad. They're not a real big cylinder, just about 1.5 inch rod. So see if we can do that here at some point. So also while we're down here on the bottom landing, we're gonna put some fuel in it. I filled this up right before winter. We had about a pretty average winter. It only looks like we used maybe 10 gallons or so that's not too bad. So that's about it for today's video. Just wanted to do a quick little video here for you guys to show you taking the plow off of Elvis, getting some fuel in it, getting Elvis ready to do some work. We're going to haul some dirt and fill in the yard a little bit and make it a little nicer up there. So should be all ready to go. No other major issues that I can see. So next couple days we're going to start hauling some dirt. So hopefully it'll take you guys along. So let's see what we can get into next. Now I got my other co-pilot here with me. Say hi, Adam.
Hi.
So let's see if we can get this truck down the road. I offered if he wanted to drive, but he said he didn't. You take the camera, Adam? Adam's 6 and he knows how to do roll-up windows. A lot of kids these days don't know how to do it. Now, it's not easy for him, but he knows how to do it. Thanks for watching.